future.
Capricorn Horoscope 2021. Let's look at the year ahead. Think twice before making important decisions. The year 2021 is likely to be a year with heavy transit which may impact your life. According to Capricorn Horoscope 2021, this year may make you introspect in your actions and may induce you to make adjustments. These changes may decide the future of your actions. In fact, the decision that you may take now and then, following it with actions, will decide the outcome during the year. Therefore, our expert astrologers suggest you make sure you think deeply before you decide to make a decision and take action. One of the first steps that you may take is to rethink your finance. According to the 2021 Capricorn horoscope, the transit of Jupiter and Saturn may make you spend but on a calculative mode. Moreover, Saturn being the lord of finance to your zodiac sign and Jupiter being the house of loss together will put you to work on those finance areas that will be secondary and irrelevant. Planning on investments and even controlling your expenses are likely to be the first step according to Capricorn astrology prediction. If married, then you may keep a portion of your savings for future commitments. Just try to make this a routine practice. Capricorn Love and Relationship Horoscope 2021. Singles may find their soulmate. This year 2021 is likely to be auspicious for singles looking for a suitable partner in their life. You can find a romantic link that may unknowingly develop for someone special in your life. This may be someone whom you knew much earlier as a high school friend or even someone working with you at your workplace. The bonding that you need to improve your relationship will also prevail as you are likely to be serious with your relationship from day one. It would be a wonderful experience in your life. According to Capricorn Relationship Horoscope, during the year there can be a sense of insecurity that may force you to be too possessive of your beloved partner. You are likely to be too insecure and may bother your partner too much. This can go overboard, which can lead to some silly friction. Ideally, you must be careful of your behavior, else this can lead to major differences of opinion and even blame you of grave mistakes. Control your emotions and be rest assured any relationship that you are into or even if you fall into any relationship now may remain permanent, as per Capricorn 2021 Love Horoscope. You are likely to resolve all misunderstandings in your relationship. Finally, the second half of the year slowly may bring your relationship back on track as per Love Horoscope for Capricorn. If you have had any difference of opinion and fights that led to breakup in the past may now be resolved and remain within one family. This may also include your extended family who did not have any connection for long may now come under one roof to bring all close as relatives. You are likely to be delighted to see this sight as all your family members will be captured under one photo shoot in 2021. Capricorn Love Horoscope, you are likely to strengthen your relationship. According to Capricorn Love Astrology prediction, the impact of Saturn upon your sign will not only bring stability in financial matters but even in personal life. Yes, the transit of Saturn upon your sign is considered to bring all forms of stability and commitment in your romantic life. Furthermore, the transit of Saturn is also complemented by Jupiter in the second house, which will smoothen your love life and prove your genuine commitment in the relationship. There shall be a better understanding and bonding that can even induce the two to look out for permanency in relationships through marriage. According to Capricorn Love Horoscope 2021, the first half of the year, which will be up to June 2021, are favorable to make the decision of marriage. If you miss this, then after October 2021, it will be supportive, says Capricorn 2021 love horoscope. If you miss this, then after October 2021, it will be supportive. Capricorn horoscope 2021, you are likely to spend quality time with your partner. However, the year 2021 will be good for love and relationships as per Capricorn horoscope astrology predictions. The ego clash that prevailed in the past may now completely subside. This is likely to improve the bonding of the two sides throughout the year. As Jupiter is out of the friction this year, you may be happy with your partner to spend a romantic moment according to your horoscope. These were some interesting instances that you missed for long. Capricorn 2021 career predictions. Promotion is foreseen this year. According to Capricorn career horoscope 2021, if you are already employed, the transit of Jupiter in the second house and aspecting the 6th house and the 10th house will be encouraging. Additionally, the aspect of the 6th house is good for natives in service. This year is likely to be encouraging for you if you are looking for promotion. This may elevate your confidence and even improve your income status. However, if you are looking for a change in the job, you can look forward to this year after January 2021. So keep your profile ready. Job portals can also look after your profile and may be selected on merit. Make sure you prepare for the interview before you undertake the same. Further, the aspect of Jupiter into the 10th house from your zodiac sign is also good for the relocation of the job with a higher position and pay as per Capricorn career horoscope 2021. Thus, there are high chances of your job being secured and encouraging this year. It shall take you to a new height that will not only give you recognition but also respect. Capricorn business horoscope 2021, relocation of business may also take place. According to the Capricorn 2021 career predictions, there is also a high probability that you can ask to hear a business unite in a new location, even in a foreign land. That may be rewarding. You may be asked to set up the business from scratch that will suit the foreign country requirement and even generate revenue to the company's requirement. This may also give you name and recognition in your professional circles. According to Capricorn career horoscope, the year 2021 is likely to be favorable for you if you are pursuing a business or even contemplating it. If looking to expand the business, then the direction towards northeast will be ideal to expand and establish. The direction should be reckoned from your present place of stay or residence. Thus, the year has something interesting in store and you must grab it with both your hands. The year 2021 is likely to be good for students. Further, the year 2021 is likely to be good for students planning to pursue higher studies, especially in the area of research and experimentation. The combination of Jupiter and Saturn may make you good at taking up areas of study that may include finance, language, and engineering. As per Capricorn horoscope, the transit of Venus around March and April can also give a boost to students who are interested in fine arts or creative studies. You may even take one of the subjects as your majors and master the same. This can support your career decision in the long run. When academics are supportive, will this also support your career and business graph? Then the answer is yes. According to Capricorn 2021 horoscope, the year is good for career progress if you are stepping out of high school or university exams. Though the first 2 quarters of the year are likely to be challenging, the second half of the year may give you many opportunities to settle down. A little patience will be ideal to help you. Further, for those who are already employed, the year will be progressive according to your horoscope. Returns of your hard work is likely to be interesting, but you will have to take up your work seriously. Plan your career accordingly this year. 2021 Capricorn horoscope, stay cautious about your health. According to Capricorn horoscope, the one area that will demand attention this year will be your health. Given the transit of Saturn and Jupiter, the dual transit is likely to make your year stressful. But despite being stressed, you may also be careful of your fitness by taking up adequate sleep to keep yourself fit and healthy. The transit of Jupiter in Aquarius for the whole year will bring grace in your life. Therefore, this may improve your fitness and health. When health is well maintained, you can automatically develop an inclination to gain good wealth. Therefore, the year 2021 will be slow but steady to maintain and improve your position in wealth. According to your horoscope, if you are into business, then you are advised to be careful this year. If planning to expand or looking for a long-term investment scheme, then the year is not likely to be supportive. Try to avoid investing in long-term schemes, except for the month of September, October and November, where you may eat more than required as per Capricorn health and fitness horoscope predictions. These are the months where you may have to control your cravings. The transit of Jupiter and Venus will enable you to take part in conferences that may provide with diet, however, that may not suit your eating habit. Little care is needed around this time according to Capricorn health horoscope. Health, the important life pillar on which other life areas are dependent, so take care of your health. You can know the changes that are likely to happen with respect to finance, career, education, marriage, etc. 2021 as a year, in fact, will become an aid to those who have been undergoing treatment for a very long time for some ailment. All such ailments will finally come to an end, giving you the mental relief after a long gap. Those looking for alternative therapy or any treatment can also pursue putting an end to the ailment. Such a natural therapy and a good treatment that may improve your digestive system. This may be good for those who have been suffering from any stomach related problems. The alternative therapies or treatments may prove to be helpful. Thus, the year 2021 will be good for Capricorn natives and shall bring them good health and strength throughout the year. Capricorn horoscope, favorable year for marriage. Again, if planning to marry, then the year is very good to decide the same. Starting from January 2021, the year will bring many good proposals for marriage that you can consider. The good part is that you may marry the person whom you know for ages. So have a beautiful 2021, all you Capricorns.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.